study program that takes children out of the classroom and into nature.
My name is Leslie Van Hoven. I'm a teaching assistant with an SEI class from Beekman, and this is our 4th year of coming out to Fenner. The first 2 years we hiked a lot and did a few other things, but last year we focused in on building ourselves a hut. And over here we're working.
We have a student that is legally blind, and she's never been off on trails before in her life. This is the first year she's come to us, and she has having a ball.
Annie's big nature lessons are great for our kids because a lot of them don't get to go out and do stuff like this, be out in the woods. Makes them happy, it builds their confidence. They get to do stuff they never done, like climb under trees, climb over trees, and just get out and be in the nature.
Fenner Conservancy is a marvelous community partner with schools throughout this whole region, inviting all of us here for not just Annie's Big Nature Lesson, but for all the other school programs and community events that Fenner does. So our children are here for the whole week for Annie's Big Nature Lesson. They feel like they own this place.